Hey y'all, just bringing you a quick update on a wild development in the Vallow Daybell case. Turns out journalist Nate Eaton has been added to her witness list. Yes, the same Nate Eaton who's been covering this case from the start. Why is he on there? What does this mean for the trial? And will the judge even allow it? Let's get into it. Today marks the start of jury selection for Lori's upcoming trial. Nate Eaton, who has been covering this case since day one, is in Phoenix to report on everything. No cameras are allowed inside the courtroom, so we're relying on journalists like Eaton for updates. In a bizarre legal move, Lori's defense team put Nate Eaton on their witness list. Here's the thing. Eaton is not a law enforcement officer, a forensic expert, or even a witness to any crime. The afternoon hearing will determine if Eaton stays on the list or gets removed. It's unclear what exactly Lori's defense wants from him. He's a journalist, so his role is to report facts, not be part of the case. If called, his testimony would likely be limited because of Reporter Shield laws, which protect journalists from being forced to reveal confidential sources. This feels like a tactical move by Lori's defense rather than a genuine attempt to get new information. Could they be trying to discredit media coverage, or is it an attempt to slow down proceedings? The judge's ruling will be key because if Eaton has to testify, it could set a dangerous precedent for journalists covering high-profile cases. Jury selection is expected to last all week. The trial is set to start next Monday, but delays are possible, especially with all these pre-trial motions still hanging in the air. Nate Eaton will continue giving updates, and his courtroom insider recap will be available at 7 p.m. Arizona time. I will be following Nate and East Idaho News to give you guys my own commentary on the trial as it goes along. Okay, so what do I think about this? Y'all, Lori's team is pulling some moves. This seems like a disruption tactic rather than a real need for testimony. Also, let's be honest, putting a journalist on the stand when he's just doing his job, that's a stretch. If the judge allows this, I'm curious to see how Eaton handles it because he's been nothing but professional throughout this case. That's the latest on the Vallow Daybell trial. Let me know in the comments, why do you think she called Nate Eaton as a witness? And do you think the judge will let this stand? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any updates. See y'all in the next one. I'm very curious to hear your responses. Let me know in the comments below. I look forward to bringing you more in the near future. Keep a lookout for my next case. Thank you to my producer Suzuki for all her hard work gathering case info. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Bye, y'all.